Welcome back, golf nerds. Ryan DeGale speaking from Golf and Body. So today I'm going to hop on the camera for 2 minutes to discuss number one and show you a great stretch to create separation in your golf swing that can relate to more club head speed. Number two, to address a commonly asked question, where does speed come from? This is a very difficult question to answer because every player creates speed in different ways. But one thing I can tell you, there's always a little bit of synergy and clues that every powerful player leaves us that we can apply to our own game. So, Chris Como said it best. There is dirty speed and then there's clean speed. I see a lot of dirty speed in Division I programs and stuff on Instagram where these guys are getting together and lifting heavy. There's always a price to pay for impatience. Now, if a player is already fast, making sure that you don't injure them is fundamental, okay? And that should be your main goal, to stay fresh and to be ready for your tournament play and not to be a gym rat, okay? The gym stuff must relate to the performance on the golf course. Now, with that being said, this stretch I'm going to show you is in Jim McLean's X Factor 2 book, which I was privileged enough to write 2 chapters in his new book. Jim is also a client of mine. Now, with that being said, an X Factor is, say if I have a 45-degree turn and a 90-degree shoulder turn here, I subtract 45 from 90 and I have a 90-degree X Factor. If it gives you any perspective, Rory McIlroy is a little bit closer to 65 degrees in X Factor. And so here's how you do it. It's held for 35 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and here it is. Okay, notice how I'm stacking my hips, my knees, and my ankles. I'm tucking my tail. I'm going to address my hands right over here. I've got a forceful push away from the floor, making sure I'm keeping this angle. I'm feeling as though I'm falling through the golf ball, and I can feel a large tension in my rib cage. That's held for 35 seconds. Give it a try. Let me know if it works. Thanks for tuning in.